Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher from class nursery. This is your English book and open it and look at page number 15. Which page is this? 15. Look at here. First we memorize and review letter C. And what is the sound of letter C? K. K, cat. K, cat. Say aloud the words K, car. K, car. K, carrot. K, carrot. K, cow. K, cow. Okay students, dear students, look at here. Today we do page number 16. In page number 16 we do trace and color. What we do? Trace and color. Which letter we trace? C. And what is the sound of C? K. K, cat. K, cat. Okay, dear students, first you hold a pencil and you start from dot and draw a curved shape and stop it here. What is this? C. And what is the sound of C? K. K, cat. K, cat. Again, look at here. You start from dot and draw like curved shape. And C is curvy. K, cat. K, cat. Dear students, now all of you trace with me. Look at here how we trace K. We start from here and make a curvy. K is curvy. K. Start from here and go round. Good. Okay, do it again. Start from dot and go round. Start from dot and go. Good. And this is curvy. K is curvy shape. Okay, good. Start from dot and go round. Now dear student, look at here. Now you write K. How we write K? You start from here and make a curvy shape. Curve shape. Good. Again, write K. K is curvy. K is curvy shape. K. K. Now read with me. K. 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 Dear student, now we color the cat. Cat. What is this? Cat. Cat. You use brown color in cat. You use brown color in cat and use pink color also. You use pink color also. First we use brown color in cat. Use this color in cat's legs. And use pink color in hair. Dear student, this is your today's work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.